I want to know what happened.
You'll be safe here. Safer than you could ever be.
Please stay.
I love you, Jill, and I want you to be free. You'll be fine.